Hey guys, this is a review on a product I just bought. I bought this today, a few minutes ago, at the Home Depot. They have these in different stores. You can find it in spray bottles, and I always buy these huge gallons right here. Now this could be a natural air freshener, which I don't use. I usually make mine with essential oils and water. But you can use this for laundry. This really disinfects and cleans. This is a excellent product. I love Odorban. They have this in a citrus smell. They have a plain clear one for just for carpets. You can also use these for carpets too. I put this in my my Bissell rug shampooer machine, and it does cleaning and has a fresh, clean smell to your carpets. You can put this in your laundry. There's so many different things you could do with this. This is the really big gallon right here. Like I said, this is a really big bottle. And usually they're $10. I got it today for like $8, something close to $9 with tax. So it's still like around close to $10. It kills all kinds of germs. It kills viruses. And there's so many different uses back here. What you could do with it. You could put them in a spray bottle. You could use them as your normal cleaner, which I do. You can mop floors with these. You can clean your walls, clean your laundry. You know, throw it in with your actual laundry detergent. You can mop floors. They use this type of stuff in like hospitals and bathrooms, schools, everything. This is an excellent product. Eliminates odor. Like, this really kills odors for everything. Gets rid of mold, mildew. It's just an excellent product. I really love this. I use this for cleaning besides my Pine Sol, of course. But I basically grab all these gallons because I like to shampoo my carpets with these, freshen up your laundry. You can use it as a cleaner. Like I said, you could make so much. This is concentrated, so you can make so many different things. 32 gallons of this product. This is a really good one. I bought this one in, this is the eucalyptus scent. So this one's like a very fresh eucalyptus smell. And like I said, they have a lavender one, they have a citrus one, I believe they have a lemon one, and they have like a bluer one. It's called the Clean Linen, and it smells like fresh laundry. I bought that one before, but they didn't have it this time. So if I don't find the fresh linen one that I like, I usually go toward the eucalyptus. They also have like an orange citrus one. I also have them in spray bottles. They come separate in your Home Depot or Lowe's home improvement stores. You could spray your cleaners with these, clean your toilets. It's good for pets, cleaning pet areas. Like, it's good for everything. So you can look this up on Google. It'll tell you more about it. There's a lot of commercials on this product. I love Odorban. They're not sponsored by me or anything like that. I just really love this product. I wanted to share this with you guys. I forgot to haul this when I did my other haul. But I just came from Home Depot. I just bought one of these. Usually I grab more. But I just grabbed this in a hurry. So this kills like 99... Yeah, it says kills 99.99% of germs. Multi-purpose cleaner. It's just an excellent product. Excellent. So if you never tried this before and you want to give it a try, it's cheap, It's affordable. It's excellent. It wipes out odors just like that within seconds. It really disinfects. It leaves your house with a fresh, clean smell. Like I said, it's good for laundry. You can also use it as an air freshener. You spray it in the air and all that, but I don't really spray this in the air. Like I said, I like to do regular air freshener once in a while, but I stopped doing that. I just make my own now, which is water and essential oils or like a scented oil. I like to make like natural cleaning products too, and then you can also use plants, real fresh clean plants in your home, and it cleans your air out and gives your air fresh oxygen and all that good stuff. So it's very good for the air. But Odorban, I love to use it to clean. You can use this for outdoor, like your patio sets, for grills. It has a whole lot of instructions right here. It has everything here. Let me see if I can see it. It says air freshener for your laundry, pet odors, sewage backup, water damage, fire restoration, cleaning, for carpets, cleaning solutions. It tells you all the stuff to do. It says RV holding tanks, you know, for toilet waste and etc. You know, things like that. Sanitizer directions, disinfection directions, you know, different types of stuff. How you could get rid of fungus, you know, all that type of stuff, which I love a product like this. Mold and mildew, and also bleach could do that too, but I like fresh cleaning things, and this is like a multi-use product. And right here it says it gets rid of all infections, all kinds of infections here. So this is good for like flu season, or when you want to like really deep clean your home. It's just so many different things with this. I love this stuff. I love it, love it, love it. I just wanted to share with you guys. See right here it says, what is Odorban? It's a deodorizer, a sanitizer, a disinfectant, a mildew stat, and it also cleans viruses, AIDS viruses, you know, influenza, all kinds of stuff. And it tells you how it could be used and how much can you apply, and you know, and it gives you all different instructions right here on the bottle, like the spray, you know, you could pour it on the sponge, you could do it like by hand, whatever. I have a Bissell carpet machine, and most of it's water, and I like to use this because it's not like foamy and soapy, and it won't mess up your machine. And I noticed it was better cleaning instead of just buying the Bissells all the time, because that's very expensive. It's for a little small bottle, and my whole house is full of carpet, and it's not going to last long. So I love to grab these because it's like a watery consistency, and it doesn't like over foam up or anything like that, and it's a very good cleaning product, and it makes your rugs smell good. This is good for mopping, like I said, for your bathrooms, for your basement, the kitchen, your kitchen sinks, the drain, whatever you want to do. It's an excellent, excellent product. So if you never tried it, give it a try. And if you did, let me know what you think about it. I just love it. I think it's an awesome product. So anyway, like I said, they didn't sponsor me or any, you know, to do their stuff. I just wanted to review it because I really love it, and I thought maybe you guys might be interested in it. You can find this at Home Depot, Lowe's, a lot of different stores. Depends on where you go, but I usually buy the gallons like these at the Home Depot. So anyway, thanks for watching this product review, and you know what I think about Odorban, and give it a try if you never tried it, and tell me what you think about it. Like I said, it's an excellent, excellent product. Very good for your home. It's very affordable. And if you're a prepper like me and you like to stock up, and I don't just stock up on food, I stock up on cleaning supplies, I stock up on beauty essentials, beauty products, hygiene, medications, everything. So I love to have everything completely filled, and I'm talking about a lot of stuff. So this is also good to put in your laundry room, the basement, your cleaning supplies, you know, shelves, or whatever you know, wherever you put your stuff. So this is a very, very good product. But anyway, I wanted to share it, and let me know if you ever tried it. So anyway, thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for more, and I'll be talking to you guys later on. Have a good day, guys. Bye.